good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back like I never left. Man, a lot of things has happened since I've posted my last Tonic video. I'm gonna do my best to, get these videos out as much as possible. If I make mistakes when I'm recording, guys, I'm not gonna cut or edit the video. I'm just gonna try to get out as many videos as possible. The goal is to cover Tonic and Crow content full time, guys. Had to deal with some things outside of YouTube because I don't do YouTube full time. The ad revenue is not there, guys, but I'm super bullish on what Tonic has been doing. They've been dropping so many bangers, so many tweets, guys. It is crazy what is happening with Tonic and the Tonic community, and you really love to see it, guys. This is what I call building through the bear market, and if we're at the start of the bull, it's only a matter of time until you see those crazy gains for Tonic. Before I dive deep into Tonic in this video, like always, guys, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Subscribe to the channel if you can. I humbly ask that you become a channel member. Hit the join button, guys. Become a channel member and support my previous videos as well. Now, the first thing we got from Tonic 10 hours ago. Right now, 3.3% net APY. When supplying BTC and borrowing ETH, get paid to borrow on Tonic. Shout out to DeFi Llama Borrower Dashboard to highlight this. So literally, what is crypto founded upon? It is founded on TVL, decentralized finance, taking control of your finances, and that is what Tonic does. Right here we have the image from DeFi Llama showing, let me move my mouse over a bit, guys. We have the image from DeFi Llama showing the net APY for the borrow for BTC and ETH, 3.3%. This is great stuff from Tonic, guys. This is huge. I don't even think, I've looked into borrow aggregators on DeFi Llama, but this is some huge stuff from the Tonic team. They're definitely building. A lot of people have, questioned them a lot, wondering, why don't the Tonic team tweet as much? They have been crushing it with the updates recently, guys, and that is great stuff. Like I mentioned in one of my previous videos, I talked about liquid staking derivatives. Tonic and its partnership with I think it's Venmo Finance gives Tonic gives it into that narrative of liquid staking derivatives because of the partnership with Venmo, and LSDs are a way to participate in staking, the process of validating and supporting the network by holding ETH. So right here you could literally supply and borrow on ETH, which is basically the same concept of LSDs, and that is a huge trend that is taking place in crypto. So who knows what could happen? The whales, the people that are super established in the space could realize that you could borrow and supply for BTC and ETH through Tonic, and then they just might hop in the project, guys. You see more and more people coming into the project because of that. From Shango, loving this tweet, show off that utility Tonic. From DJ Nucleus, this is huge. Tonic, nice Patty, awesome. From Rodney, you got the eyeballs. Christian Castaneda, vamonos, man. How do you get, let's see right here. How do you get paid to borrow? What if I borrow Crow and the price of Crow goes up next year? Shout out to Crow Sig. Always join the Telegram community, the Discord, so you could get your questions answered, guys. Hyperwent app. Providing liquidity from Will. Fabian, will they burn coins from the turtle supply? Well, a lot of people would love to see burn on the coins for Tonic. This is the thing. I really do believe as the protocol develops and they're able to generate more and more transaction fees, more and more revenue, who knows, the Tonic team could do a buyback and burn in the future. You never know, you can't rule that out, right? These are the things that could happen once a project matures and a project grows. Crypto Don, clap emojis, man. Gotta like these tweets, guys. Like these tweets. Shout out to everyone that's engaging in the tweet from the Tonic community, man. You guys stay super active. You guys support the channel so much. Thank you guys so much. Okay, Vroomers, Crow fam, Tectonic, we are starting our Chronos Cruisers partnership with a Vroom. Stand a chance to win from a pool of 200 USD in Tonic. Join now. Tonic for Vroom. Shout out to VCKC. Shout out to Marabella. Bacon. Let's go from Crazy Crossbreeds. So right here they have an announcement with Chronos Cruisers. We could dive into a bit of the art. Never won a Gleam contest from Pascal. I can relate. From official NFT LFG, man, jump in. And now obviously they're gonna have people that are negative on the project, you know, but shout out to Chris. When it comes to crypto, a lot of people get proven wrong when it comes to crypto. From Hovey, let's go Tonic. Tonic to $100,000 like Bitcoin for March. You know, it's great, man. It's absolutely great. The interactions we could get from the Tonic community. I'm gonna do my best to like and follow everybody, support each other. Let's spread the word. That's how we get the word out there. If we click on the link, you can see we have a Gleam contest, and if you're part of the Tonic community, you guys could win, possibly win 200 USD by engaging in this little giveaway, guys. Super bullish stuff so far from the Tonic fam. If we take a look at the Tonic price, $23.3 million in market cap, down 2.59%. On the 3-month, we were making a move back up. We had a nice rounded bottom. Now we're correcting back down. You know, the market's gonna be a bunch of sideways following Big Daddy Bitcoin. Pause for saying Big Daddy. Big Brother, or how should I say, the top dog Bitcoin, following Crow as well. You know, you could expect this in the market for Tonic, following Big Brother Crow and the top dog Bitcoin. So that's why, you know, we're having these moves, guys. Tonic is just gonna follow the market until we have some type of catalyst that, you know, absolutely send us crazy. And you know, it could only be a matter of time, because as you guys can see with all the updates, they're delivering so much, and it's bullish, guys. It's super bullish. We're gonna hop into some more content in the next video. If you guys made it to the end, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you, Tonic fam and community, so much for supporting the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, become a channel member, hit that join button. It really will help the channel out. Full-time Tonic Crow YouTuber, guys. That's a goal. I'll catch you in the next video.